Hello, young man. Do you remember me or have you forgotten everyone at?
Rajendran sir, what a surprise.
Good to see you too, my boy. Love the new look.
How is everyone back home? What are you doing here, sir?
Everyone is doing good. I am here on an official trip, so I thought I would take the Tourist Express today.
Great idea, sir. You will love this trip. The new tourist cars are amazing.
I am so excited about it too.
Get in, sir. The train is about to leave in few minutes.
I am so excited I feel like a kid. This is so fancy. This feels like a European train. I hope my seat has a great view. Well, looks like every seat has a great view.
Welcome to Indian Railways Kashmir Valley trip. We are going to see some of the most beautiful sights on earth in our journey today. For this trip, we have arranged for a special Vistadome tourist car for your comfort.
God bless Indian Railways. This is absolutely stunning.
And now we have reached our first site. On your left, you can see the beautiful Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden in full bloom. Opened in 2007, it is the largest tulip garden in Asia, spread over an area of about 74 acres. It is situated on the foothills of Zabarwan Range with an overview of Dal Lake. The tulip garden is home to around 65 varieties of tulips, and about 1.5 million tulip bulbs were brought from Amsterdam.
That's very interesting. Hello, lovebirds. I hope I am not disturbing you. Oh, what a lovely view from here.
On your right, you can see the famous Dal Lake of Srinagar. It is an urban lake, which is the second largest in Jammu and Kashmir. It is integral to tourism and recreation in Kashmir and is named the Jewel in the Crown of Kashmir. Scenic views of the lake can be witnessed from the shoreline Mughal gardens, such as Shalimar Bagh and Nishad Bagh, built during the reign of Mughal Emperor Jahangir, and from houseboats cruising along the lake in the colorful shikaras. During the winter season, the temperature sometimes reaches -11 degrees Celsius, freezing the lake.
If there is a paradise on earth, it is this, it is this, it is this.
On your left, you can see the heavenly Gulmarg. The Gulmarg gondola cable car, built by the French company Komagulski, is one of the highest in the world, reaching 3,979 meters. Gulmarg is the heartland of winter sports in India, and was rated as Asia's 7th best ski destination. Winter sports like skiing, tobogganing, snowboarding and heli-skiing take place on the slopes of Mount Afarvat, reachable by a gondola lift. Gulmarg has been the shooting location in many Bollywood films like Bobby, Jab Tak Hai Jaan, Yeh Jawani Hai Deewani and Haider.
This Vistadome trip was a complete paisa vasool.
We have come to the end of our Kashmir Valley Vistadome tourist trip. Thank you, and we hope you visit again.
Hello, sir. We are part of a 50-member biking expedition to Leh and Ladakh. A few of us got stranded and urgently need to catch up with our group before they move further. What's the problem? Can't you take the national highway? We can, but due to a landslide, the NH1 is blocked. Can you take us on the train?
I don't mind, but there's very little space. And the train leaves in 5 minutes. If you can get the bikes on the back of the train before train leaves, I can take you.
Thank you, Karthik. We will never forget your help. Give me a call if you ever come to Goa.